Next question. Current market price of the share is 170 rupees per share. Dividend per share and market price per share of the security under various political situations are likely to be as under. Probability is given, dividend information is given, and market price per share information is given. You are required to answer the following questions. There are two questions provided to us. I want you to tell me answer for both of them in the chat box. So please write an answer. Calculation of expected return, that is X bar, and SD standard deviation. That's very simple to calculate, dear students. Column number 1 is probability. There are 25% chances. What will be the return? Let us see. Say we'll assign X variable to the return. So in that, let us see the return. Dividend per share will be rupees 7 plus market price per share will be 180. The price per share was 170. Whole divided by 170 into 100. So it is 10 plus 7, 17 upon 170 into 100. That comes to 10%. 75% chances that dividend per share will be 14 plus price per share will increase to 190 from 170. Whole divided by 170 into 100 once again to compute the answer in percentage term. So 20 plus 14, that is 34, divided by 170 into 100, that comes to 20%. This is the way first of all we make the computation of the return. Once we make the calculation of the return, afterwards we'll make the calculation of the mean return. That is probability into X. So 25% chances that the return will be 10%. So it is 2.5. 75% chances it will be 20%, that is 15. So X bar is equal to 2.5 plus 15, that is 17.5. That is the way the mean return is calculated. Okay. Next is X minus X bar. Let us see how to make the calculation of the same. X minus X bar is 10 minus 17.5. So over here it is 10 minus 17.5. So it is negative 7.5. 20 minus 17.5, that is 2.5. That is what we understand is the X minus X bar. Next is X minus X bar whole square into probability. So we can say it is negative 7.5 square into 0.25. Next is 2.50 square into 0.75. That is the way we'll have the X minus X square whole square into probability. So square of 7.5 into 0.25. So 14.0625. Square of 2.5 into 0.75. 4.6875. 14.0625 plus 4.6875 is 18.75. And this 18.75 is considered to be the variance. That is the way we have the variance. Okay. So finally, as far as the standard deviation is concerned, it is calculated as under root of the variance. And whenever the probability distribution information is given, then in that case we understand that x minus x bar whole square into probability and summation of the same is directly the variance. So here we don't have to divide it with the n. Why? Because you already do averaging by multiplying with the probability. So it is under root of 18.75. So its answer comes to 4.33 percentage. This is the way the standard deviation is calculated, and this is the mean return that we have. So friends, here is the way we have made the computation of the expected return, that is mean return, which is 17.5 percentage, and it is subject to the standard deviation of 4.33 percentage.